Hello, today we are talking about equal parts. So this is kind of a fun activity to do with food if you have some food that you can use at home, okay? Um, so maybe you have a piece of pizza or like a piece of cheese, a piece of string cheese, lots of different things. As long as you can find something that represents these shapes, it'll be fun to try and divide those things up into equal parts, okay? So let's imagine, for number one, that we have a cracker, okay? And we're going to share this cracker with some friends. What we have to do is we have to figure out if we're sharing fairly or if we're not sharing so fairly. So imagine that you and four friends are together and you want to give each of your friends a piece of this cracker. If you split it up this way in four parts, are these four parts all equal? Well, yes, they are. So this would be a great way to share. How about this one here? This way I've just made four rectangles and they appear to be all the same. So this would also be a great way to share. Now, if I look at this one, this friend here is not going to get very much. This person here is going to get a lot. And these two people are going to get kind of the same, but not exactly. So this one is not divided into equal parts, okay? Now let's look and imagine we're going to share a piece of pizza with a friend, okay? So this is the way I like to share. I get the big part with the crust, and somebody else just gets to get the little tip. Is that fair? Is that divided equally? Well, no. I would be getting a big part, and the other person would be barely getting any. How about this one? This one, I'm just getting the crust, and the other person's getting the whole other part. This is how my husband and I would share pizza. I'd eat the crust, and he'd eat the rest. Would that be fair? Probably not. So, that's not equal groups. Those are not the same. How about here? If I divide the pizza straight down the middle this way, this person gets this much and this person gets this much. Would that be equal? Yes, that is the only one in this group that is equal. Okay, for this one, let's imagine I have a Twinkie. This is my Twinkie here. Okay, so I'm going to share it here with four people. Everybody would get a very thin slice, but they would all get the same amount. This is equal. How about here? This person barely gets any. This person gets a nice piece of Twinkie, and this person gets a little sliver. That is not equal. Okay? And here, just two people are sharing it, and it's divided smack down the middle. So that is equal. That's divided equally. Okay. Here, let's imagine you're sharing a whole cake with someone. Okay? And it looks like just two people are going to share this cake. Well, this person gets a little sliver and this person gets a bigger piece. Is that equal? No, those groups are not equal. How about here where you just slice it right down the middle and this person gets half, this person gets half? Yes, that is equal. How about here if you share with three others, yourself and three other people? Do you all get an even piece? Sure you do. This is also equal, okay? So equal groups means that when you split it, no matter how many ways you're splitting it, each portion is the same size. Okay, let's flip over to the back, page 150, and we're going to circle this time each picture that shows equal parts, okay? So, is this little party blower noisemaker divided equally? No. This person gets the thing that blows out, this person just gets the end you blow on. That one's not equal. How about the birthday cake? Nope. Somebody's getting a lot of birthday cake and somebody's getting not much at all. How about the balloon? Is this divided equally? Are both sides, because they've only divided it once, equal? Yes, they are. So I'm going to circle the balloon. How about the pizza? Is this divided equally? Nope. We know that if we were going to divide it equally, we'd have to go this way down the middle. How about the sandwich? Is that equal? Is this top part and this bottom part equal to one another? Absolutely not. How about the cookie? Top and bottom match. Yep, that's equally divided. Let's look at the party hat. Is it divided equally? Yes. It is divided equally, so I'm going to circle that. And the present, are both halves of this equal? Yes, they are. They're both the same size, so this is also divided equally.